Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Swift card is active and has enough credit. This avoids delays at the gate. Once done, open the transit app or a station kiosk to verify balance and recent trips, and load funds if needed. Make sure your card is free of damage and not in a wallet with multiple cards stacked together. You'll also carry an alternate payment method, an ID just in case inspectors need proof or a validator rejects the tap. That prevents fines and saves time. You tap the Swift card once firmly on the reader when entering the platform or boarding. Don't wave or double tap. Listen for the beep and watch for the green light or screen confirmation so you know the fare registered. Once aboard, move to a designated area and keep your card accessible for any transfer validators or inspections. If you must transfer, tap again at the transfer validator within the allowed window so your fare links correctly and you avoid paying extra. You finish by tapping out if your network requires exit validation. This records trip end and ensures correct fare. If a tap fails, stay calm. Show the app transaction history or recent load receipt to staff and request a manual check or override. Make sure to report lost or stolen cards immediately so the operator can freeze the account and transfer remaining balance. If inspectors approach, explain the issue, present your proof, and follow staff instructions to avoid penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.